Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off the active mode on Instagram. This small green light that shows when you're active, when people messaging you or when people check up your account. I can show you how you can turn this on or off. Let me launch the Instagram app first. Let's click on the lower right corner, hit your profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and hit the three straight lines on the upper right. Then click on settings and privacy. And I'm gonna give it a shortcut over here, guys. Okay, you wanna go here on the search bar and you wanna look for this one, show activity status. You wanna click on it, and here you can essentially click this on, which essentially will show either to the public or to your followers when you're active or not. You can switch this to the public and followers, or you can completely shut this down and no one know when you're active and when you're not active. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more